Good day, guys. As you all know me, ExoMarkets, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, back and continue. Can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to actually analyze gold, US30, and Nasdaq today, guys. Without wasting no time, guys. I just want to get into the setup now, guys. So guys, if you want to trade with me for free, guys, join the free channel on the link on the description. And then if you want to use the broker that I'm using, the link is on the description. Make sure that you click the link. You understand? I hate questions like what is the broker that you're using? I already told you guys. You understand? Yo guys, I analyzed Ethereum. And did you check Ethereum, Vabe? I analyzed Ethereum and it's moving quite nice. Understand? Check the entry point, check everything. It's just perfectly moving to the top. You understand? So those are the things that I technically proud of. But without wasting no time, guys, let's get into the business and see what is Nasdaq doing in the other side. People might feel like I'm afraid to analyze Nasdaq, and you find that Nasdaq is just my thing. I'm called Nasdaq Ninja for a reason. So already, guys, when I get into the chart, I see that the market is giving me like buying opportunities. I'm going to create my highest point and my lowest point here as quick as possible. There's my current high, and then this is my current low. So this is what I'm going to be using from this top side. And then I'm going to create places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. I'm going to start strictly on H4 now, forgetting what does the daily time frame do, because this analysis doesn't actually start now. It started from the previous video. So you can check the previous video and see what is it that we actually analyze so that you can understand what is it that the market can actually do. Understand? It's very, very important. I like saying it's critically important. I don't even know what does that mean, but it's English. That's not my mother's tongue. Understand? So I'm going to actually create a place whereby I know very well that the market, if it can break, then that's when I'll see that the market is on a higher momentum of bullish. Understand? But if the market keeps on failing to break, we have a higher chances of going to below side. So we don't enter at this point. We enter once the market break. That's one of the most thing that most of the people misunderstood. You understand? If you don't understand such things, we're gonna have a bigger problem. We have to understand such things in order for us to have like proper trading strategies or proper trading scenarios. You understand? I can say. But at the end of the day, those are the things that I want me and you to actually focus most on. So if you can see here, we have a resistance that we have to break. If we can break this resistance, then we're going to be seeing ourselves moving to the top side. And at the moment, we have like a certain correction. Experienced traders like me, we do risk it to enter this certain point, knowing that this is just a correction. We got to get an impulse movement to the top side. You get the point? So possibilities of you entering here, they are high. You can actually engage, but you can put your stop loss slightly up below this so that you don't lose a lot of cash. You understand? Now when we start speaking about cash, it needs a proper whatever it is, guys. But at the end of the day, guys, this is not a financial video, guys. This is just for educational purposes, guys. Not intend to tell you guys to invest anywhere, guys. Understand? This is me analyzing for entertainment purposes. So let's go, guys. See here, it's buys, guys. I see a buy. I'm not saying you should buy. I just see a buy, and that's what I'm gonna do. Understand? So, I don't know why we create content whereby we have to be. I don't know. I don't even wanna be so too social, because recording YouTube videos these days became too difficult. You understand? You have to know what you say, and some other ways you don't have to say them. Like 2 years back I was young. Now I'm old. I understand that certain things you don't have to say them. It's how it is. That's life, man. It's not based on apartheid or whatever. It's based on the rules that were put upon. Even if I was the person that was in the behind the cam, I was gonna understand that this was possibilities of these things where they are right. Actually, you understand? It's 8, and I see Nasdaq. It's already pushing to the top, which is something great, something awesome. Now we're gonna jumping into US30 as quick as possible. I don't know when last did I analyze this one, man. Now let's go to this one. What's happening? Oh, here you can see it was a knock on the previous video, basically. So we can analyze this one. because I can see this one, it's capital.com. I never analyzed it before, but we can try to get it to the top. Understand? Yeah, guys, sometimes the market do knock you. It doesn't matter who you are, it knocks. So that was a knock, straight knock. So I'm going to create places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. These are the, you can see when the market touches at that certain places, the market tend to reverse. I have an appointment around 11. I hope I'm gonna make it. I hope I'm gonna make it. So this is how it is, guys. And then I'm going to create my trend line again in the below side like this. So you can see there in the previous part, I told you that the market actually broke that point. So from US30, I don't like saying that it can break. Nasdaq, it's something that I understand the most. But when it comes to US30, I will wait for it to actually break. But with this correction as well, it gives me possibilities of buys, understand, and how the market is, and the market is on a higher momentum. So possibilities of buy are very high. Yo, I became so quick, guys. But at the end of the day, guys, are jumping into gold and see what does gold have. Oh man, I love trading, guys. Trading is one of the most thing that I really respect. I feel like you're gonna retest. You have to just sell here, and then we're gonna come back to the bottom side at that top. It's a retest there. That's where places whereby when the market touches, the market created a bigger movement. So tactically, it's very, very obvious that the market will actually sell. So I'm looking forward for the market to actually sell from this top side here. So if you're trading gold, guys, possibilities of going to the bottom side, it's high. And since you've seen it was buying and others were selling, so it means it's time for it to actually drop. I'm not that really an expert in gold, but that's what I feel like it can happen, understand? So we're gonna just do it like this. Yo, this trend line is so ugly, man. Maybe something like this. Beautiful. Once the trend line becomes ugly, I know that the setup is incorrect. Understand? So now, guys, you can just target like a minor direction like this one. You know, where I'm gonna touch on gold, man, I'm gonna kill it. It's my worst enemy this, especially this man. Showed me flame. So once you show me flame, you become my enemy forever. It means you don't love me. Understand? So I go with what loves me. So I always tell people I trade what I love. They say, you trade what you love, but not the setup. I say, yes, I trade what I love. You know, some other things you can't control me of who I am, guys. That's one thing that we have to understand. If I'm this person, you gotta understand